If you want to crop an image in Word quickly and cleanly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to crop an image in Word step by step, so you can remove unwanted edges, focus on the important part of your picture, and make your document look more polished. This is a super useful skill, whether you're working on a report, a resume, a flyer, or any other Word document. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Word document and find the image you want to crop. You can do this in any modern version of Microsoft Word, and the process is very similar across versions. Once your document is open, click directly on the image. This is important because Word needs to know which picture you want to edit. As soon as you select the image, you should see the Picture Format tab appear at the top of the screen. That tab contains all the tools you need for editing your image. Now go to the Picture Format tab and look for the Crop button. Click Crop and Word will switch the image into crop mode. You'll notice black crop handles appear around the edges of the picture. These handles let you trim away parts of the image you don't want to show. To crop the image, click and drag the black handles inward. As you drag them, you'll see the visible area get smaller, while the parts outside the crop area are hidden. Take your time here and adjust the crop carefully. You can crop from the sides, the top, or the bottom, depending on what you want to keep in the frame. If you only want to focus on a person's face, for example, you can trim away extra background space. If you want a cleaner layout for a document, you can crop out unnecessary borders or empty areas. The goal is to make the image fit your document better and highlight the most important part. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can simply adjust the handles again before applying the crop. Word gives you a chance to refine the image before you finalize it. Once you're happy with how it looks, press Enter or click outside the image to apply the crop. That will lock in the changes and return you to the normal document view. After cropping, you can still move or resize the image if needed. This is helpful if you want to place it more neatly within your text or adjust the overall layout of the page. Cropping and resizing together can make your document look much more professional and easier to read, and that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to crop an image in Word using the Picture Format tab and the Crop tool. It's fast, simple, and incredibly useful once you know where to click. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.